In this video, I'm going to show you ChatGPT Chrome Extension to search the internet. Now, this one is called Web ChatGPT. So ChatGPT with internet access. You just type that into Google and type in extension next to it, and that's all you need to know. You're gonna open the Chrome Web Store and then click on Add to Chrome to add it. Then click on Add Extension. And once you've done that, the extension is going to be added. And now what it wants you to do is to sign up at first. Okay, so as you can see, when you go up here to the extension, click on it, takes to the official ChatGPT OpenAI website. Now then you have to log in or sign up. In my case, I'm going to click on sign up, continue with Google with my account, then press on continue, then wait for a few moments for it to work. And you're going to be taken into your OpenAI platform. Now you have to put in your birthday, which is going to be like this, and then press on agree. And then once you've done that, you should be inside ChatGPT. Yeah, there we go. Press on OK, let's go. And this is basically the internet connected ChatGPT. Now whenever you want to access it, you simply click up here onto extensions, click on Web ChatGPT, and that's where you're going to be taken. Now, let's say I want to figure out something that's currently happening. Now, let's say I want to know how many points did Luka Doncic score in his last played game, okay? Then you simply click on it, and you're going to be taken to ChatGPT, and it's going to tell you that he scored 41 points in his last played game, okay? And that is indeed true. Now, you can select one-click prompts down here or not, and toggle web access if you want to have web access or not. Then you can select from quick search or Copilot. Now, Copilot, as you can see, uses AI-powered smart queries for exhaustive web searches. It extracts complete content from search results, and you get answers to the hardest questions with comprehensive web insights. But Quick Search just searches quickly across the internet, and you get accurate and up-to-date answers to your questions. I'm going to leave it at Quick Search right now, but you can switch through modes whenever you want to. And then you can click on Advanced over here, where you can prompt it as you want to. Now you can have a default prompt or a new prompt. The language can be set to auto, or you can select it manually if you're speaking any of the other languages. The region is any region right now, but it can also be selected if you wanted to. Time can be any time or past month, week, or day. Search results you want to have. Now in my case, as you can see, it was selected at 6 results, and 6 results were displayed. Now those are the sources from where the answer was obtained. You can also select it if you want max results, so 10, 9, 8, 7, and so on till 1. And then you can choose a search engine. Now I suggest actually selecting Google, but you can also, if you want to, select any of these as well. And now that's all of those simple settings you can play with. And then over here you have even more settings, and as you can see, you can input different prompts. You have a prompt editor, but that's a bit more complex. For the instance of this video, we're going to focus purely on the simple search. You can also change language in here. You can contact support on Discord or leave a review. You can change the appearance if you want it to be dark, light, or an auto, which is going to be the same as your Windows theme. And yeah, that's pretty much all you need to know about this. It's basically a ChatGPT with web access, and I hope this video helped you out.